Tired of forgetting flight details because your calendar entry is incomplete? Learn to add a full flight event in 90 seconds. I'll walk you through each field step by step. First, create the event, then set the date, time, location, and description. Start by clicking the Create button to begin adding a new event. Then, from the drop-down, select Event to open the event creation form. Now, type in the event title, for example, Flight, so you can easily identify it later. Click on the Date field, which shows Friday, May 1st, to change the date. Use the right arrow to move forward through the months. Click it again to advance to the correct month. Then, click on the 30th. This will be your flight date for this example. Next, set the flight time by clicking on the Time field and entering the departure and arrival times. Click on the Location field to add where you're flying to. Type in Los Angeles and watch as suggestions appear. Then, click on the Los Angeles suggestion to select it as the event location. Click on Add Description to open the description box. Type in a description, like Flight Vacation, to add extra details about the trip. Finally, click Save to add the flight event to your calendar. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.